So that is the startup sequence. Got the tack working, and we've got the Haltech adjustable keypad. Thermos are on the switch now. Variable boost settings. We've got valet mode and a few other things. We can control the pumps for pumping in and out of the E85 or 98 or EO E10, whatever we've got in there, and everything seems to be working schmick. So we've got to get the steering wheel off. Next thing is to get these indicators working, which were working fine, but they've shit the bed recently, so we'll get that sorted and we'll continue. Stand by. Merry Christmas.